गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। आज वापस आपके लिए लेके आया हूँ बहुत ही खूबसूरत सा चैप्टर जिसका नाम है पुतलिका परीक्षा। आज ये जो चैप्टर है उसके हम क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करने वाले हैं। चैप्टर बहुत इजी है, समझने जैसा भी है एंड स्टैंडर्ड 12 के लिए इज मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट चैप्टर में से एक है। पर अगर आपको चैप्टर नहीं समझ में आया तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्वेश्चन आंसर तो आपके लिए रेडी रखता हूं मैं। तो चलो आज हम समझेंगे इसके क्वेश्चन आंसर, पर सबसे पहले करेंगे शुरू इसकी नोट्स। तो स्पेशल नोट्स के अंदर सबसे पहले है समानाह पुतलिका, यानी इक्वल जो है, सिमिलर जो यहाँ पर डॉल है उसके बारे में आपको एक शॉर्ट नोट लिखनी है। स्पेशल नोट में से ये मोस्ट इंपोर्टेंट है, याद रखिएगा।
Similarities of two or more things can be looked at, seen in many ways. Similarities in three dolls are looked at in five different ways. Example: shape, type, weight, color, and beauty. The purpose of shape is length and breadth. Objective of type is that all the three are made up of wood. Weight of all the three is same. Shine and carving are to be considered in beauty, and the color of dolls is expected in color. Thus, all the three dolls are similar in all these five aspects. Value of the three dolls similar in all this way is different.
तो इस तरह से पुतली का समान है पर फिर भी शेप, टाइप, वेट एंड कलर्स के अंदर उसकी ब्यूटी भी अलग है। पर यहाँ पर हम बात करेंगे, हमारी नोट्स आएगी सेकंड, जिसका नाम है भिन्न भिन्न मूल्य। देखो, अलग अलग शेप एंड टाइप्स के होने के कारण से मूल्य भी उसका अलग था। तो उसके बारे में शॉर्ट नोट किस तरह से लिखनी है, जो कुछ इस प्रकार से है।
There are three dolls which look quite the same, but there is difference in their value. A common man cannot understand the reason of that difference, but one who is intelligent can understand it. The minister is intelligent and so he understands that. Value of a person who hears through one ear and throws it out from the another, that is, one who hears but does not pay heed to it, is always quite ordinary. The value of a person who hears through ears, internalizes it, and instead of taking advantage of it, gives advantage to other, is less than that of the first person. But the value of the first person who internalizes what he hears is the most.
तो इस तरह से था हमारा स्पेशल नोट नंबर सेकंड। अब हम बात करेंगे इसके एमसीक्यू के बारे में। देखो, कैश मार्क्स मिलते हैं और इजीली हम यहाँ पर इसको समझ के अच्छी तरह से इसके मार्क्स स्कोर भी कर सकते हैं। सबसे पहले है कित्ते यह पुतलिका आस्ति, कितनी थी, आंसर इज 3 यानी कि 3 पुतलिका नाम मूल्य कीदृश आसीतः, तो सबके मूल्य भिन्न भिन्न यानी डिफरेंट थे, अलग थे। वणिक् है स आश्चर्य क कथयति, तो कहा नृपति यानी कि राजा को कहा था। मंत्रिणाम पुतलिकानाम परीक्षायाम कति दिनानि गृहीतानि, कितने दिन दिए थे, कितने दिन लिए थे, या कह सकते हैं कितने टाइम लगा, कितना दिन लगा, दैट इज 3 days लगे। पुतलिकानाम परीक्षार्थम कीकरणम प्रयुक्तम, दैट इज शलाका, उसके अंदर एक धागा, एक थ्रेड जो है उसके द्वारा पता चला। एंड द्वितीय पुतलिकाम किय मूल्य आसित, उसकी मूल्य, उसका वैल्यू था सहस्त्र रुपयाणी, यानी कि 1000 रुपीज उसका भाव था, यानी वैल्यू थी। तो ये हो गया हमारे एमसीक्यू। नाउ बात करते हैं हमारे संस्कृत टू संस्कृत क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में। त्रिसह पुतलिकाम कीदृश आसीतः, तीनों पुतलियां कैसी दिखती थी। तो त्रिसह पुतलिकाम काष्ठस्यम सौंदर्य कलात्मिकाम आकारे प्रकारे भारेण रूपेण रागेण च समान आसीत, बहुत ही इजीली आंसर है, आप राइमेटिक कर सकते हो। आर्य, आकारेण, प्रकारेण, भारेण, रूपेण, रागेण, है ना, ये पांचों तरीके से समान थी। सभायाम कीदृशा पुरुषा विराजन्ते, तो सभा में बहवः विद्वानसः विचक्षणाः पुरुषा विराजन्ते, विद्वान और जो विचारशील होते हैं ऐसे पुरुष बैठे हुए थे। क मूल्य भेदस्य कारणम स्पष्ट अकरोतः, तो चतुर मंत्री मूल्य भेदम कारण स्पष्ट करोतः। मंत्री पुत्रिकालाम कर्णेषु किम अपश्यतः, तो मंत्री ने पुतलिकायाम कर्णेषु छिद्रमेकम अपश्यत, एक छिद्र उसने देखा। एंड तृतीया पुतलिकाम किया मूल्य, तो तीसरी पुतलिका मूल्य था लक्ष रुपयम मूल्यम आसतः, 1 लाख रुपीज उसका भाव यानी कि वैल्यू लगाई गई थी। अब बात करेंगे इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन आंसर, या फिर कह सकते हैं मदर टंग आंसर। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है जो कुछ इस प्रकार से है।
Who came to the court? What had he? Answer: A Banya came to the court. He had three artistic dolls made of wood which were similar in shape, type, weight, color, and beauty. Second, why was the king surprised? The king was surprised due to difference in the value of dolls even though they were similar. Third, how did the minister examine the dolls? Answer. The minister examined the doll minutely and found a hole in the ear of each doll. He inserted a spill in the ear of each doll and got three types of results. By doing so, he came to know about the different values of dolls and the reason behind it.
तो इस तरह से हमारे हो गया 1 2 3, आगे और भी है, दैट इज 4 and 5.
Why was the value of first doll the least? The value of the first doll was least because when a spill is inserted into its ear, it comes out of the other ear. Similarly, a person who hears a beneficial speech but drives it out through another ear, the value of such person is also least. What peculiarity did the minister find in the third doll? When the minister inserted a spill in the ear of a third doll, it did come out. It enters its stomach and remain there. So the value of the third doll is highest. In the same manner, the person who hears beneficial speeches and follows it when there is need has also highest value.
तो इस तरह से हमारे हो गए इंग्लिश टू इंग्लिश क्वेश्चन आंसर, और अब हम चले जा रहे हैं नेक्स्ट कंटेंट के ऊपर, यानी ये है हमारे शॉर्ट नोट. यहाँ पर है प्रक्षिताणाम शलाकाम परित्राणम प्राप्तम. तो इसके बारे में हमें पूरी जानकारी दे रहे हैं खुशी सोनी.
Answer. By inserting spills in the ears of all the doll, three type of results were got. Explanation. This statement has been taken from the lesson Putlika Pariksha. The Banya, that is the businessman, challenges the member of the king's court to tell the difference in the value of dolls and the reason behind it. But no one could find it. Then the king instructed his clever minister to find out the secret. The minister asked for a period of 3 days for this purpose. The minister took the dolls to his home and started examining them minutely. He noticed a hole in the ear of each doll. He inserted a spill in the ear of each doll, and by doing so, he got three types of results. He surprised everyone in the court by revealing the secret behind the holes in the ears. Thus, this indicates the intelligence of the minister, who by his minute observation reveals the qualitative peculiarities of dolls.
तो ये था हमारा फर्स्ट शॉर्ट नोट. नाउ इसके बाद जो है आ रहा है हमारा सेकंड, एतादृशस्य जनस्य मूल्यम सहस्त्र रुपयाणि मात्रम भवति ही. इसका मूल्य सिर्फ सहस्त्र यानी कि 1000 रुपीज है. उसका आंसर कुछ इस प्रकार से है.
Answer. Accordingly, the value of such person is only 1000 rupees. Explanation. This statement has been taken from the lesson Puttalika Pariksha. In this lesson, a businessman who approached the king's court with three dolls appearing similar and challenged the member of the court to find the difference in their value and the reason behind it. When the challenge is not accepted by the member, then it becomes the responsibility of the minister to accept the challenge. The clever minister finds out the value of each doll and reasons behind it. The value of second doll was determined 1000 rupees. Revealing the secret behind it, the minister says that the spill inserted into the ear of the doll comes out through its mouth. It indicates that a person hears the beneficial speech but does not follow it and preaches the same to others. This statement indicates the peculiarity of human nature. According to the saying, Swabhavo Durkritam, it is difficult to change the nature of a person. It is easy to preach others, but it is difficult to follow the preaching. Such person has less value. Thus, a person who hears the beneficial speech but does not follow it and preaches it to others is like second doll, whose value is little more than the first doll.
तो इस तरह से हम अलग अलग डॉल के पास से जीवन के अंदर बहुत सारी जानकारियां या ज्ञान प्राप्त कर सकते हैं. ना बात करेंगे हम थर्ड के बारे में, और वो है समानाम पुतलिकानाम असमान मूल्य इतम त्वात्विकम चिंतन निहमतस्ति. यानी कि समान होने के बावजूद भी पुतली का असमान मूल्य क्यों था, उसके ऊपर आंसर है जो इस प्रकार से है.
There lies the original philosophy in the unequal value of similar looking dolls. Explanation. The statement has been taken from the lesson Putlika Pariksha. This is the last sentence of this lesson, which indicates that even if different things have similarity in shape, size, color, weight, etc., their true value can be determined by the qualitative peculiarities. This principle is true in case of human being also. Human beings too have different merits and demerits, and accordingly their value is determined. A human being gets respect in society because of his peculiarities. By this story, efforts has been made preaching the human being. The value of person remains ordinary who hears beneficial speech from one ear and drives it out from the other. The value of a person is a little more than the ordinary one who hears beneficial speech preachings. It preaches it to other and does not follows it. The value of the person is highest who hears beneficial speech and follows it.
तो ये हो गया हमारा थर्ड, यानी कि बहुत ही बढ़िया तरीके से एक्सप्लेन है। पर यहाँ पर हमें सबसे ज्यादा अगर कोई पूछा जाता है तो ये क्वेश्चन बार बार बोर्ड में पूछा गया है, आपको भी लर्न करना चाहिए। आप इसको अपने ऑन वर्ड में भी लिख सकते हैं, पर हम आपको सिर्फ सहायता इसमें करना चाहते हैं कि अगर ऑन वर्ड नहीं है तो हमारे कुछ वर्ड आप इसके अंदर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। दैट इज द लास्ट मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इस चैप्टर का।
According to story, a banya came to king's court with 3 dolls, which were similar in shape, size, type, color, and weight. But their values are different. The banya challenges the court to find out the value of each doll and the reason behind it. No member of the court takes up this challenge. Then the king orders his minister to accept the challenge. The minister accepts the challenge and, by his keen observation and intelligence, finds out the value of each doll and reason behind it. He reveals it in the court. The minister examines all day minutely. Then he finds a hole in the ear of each doll. He inserts a spill in the ear of the first doll, which comes out of the other ear. This indicates a person who hears beneficial speech from the first ear but drives it out from the other ear has least value. Then he inserts a pill in the ear of the second doll, which comes out through its mouth. This indicates a person who hears beneficial speech but does not follows it and preaches the same to it. The value of such a person is a little higher than the first one. Then he indicates a spill in the ear of the third doll, which does not come out. It enters the stomach of the same doll and remains there. This indicates the person who hears beneficial speech and follows it appropriate time. Such a person has the highest value. Thus, all the 3 dolls give different moral lessons.
तो ये था हमारा इस चैप्टर का लास्ट मोरल था, और आप इस स्टोरी को अपने मदर टंग के अंदर अपनी भाषा में भी लिख सकते हो। आई विश आपको ये क्वेश्चन आंसर पार्ट बहुत अच्छी तरह से समझ में आया होगा। अगर कोई भी डाउट से प्रॉब्लम है तो आप मुझे बता सकते हो, समझा सकते हो। हम हमेशा आभारी रहेंगे खुशी एंड तेजस्विनी जी का, जिसने वीडियो में हमें सहायता की। तब तक मुझे आज्ञा दीजिए। आपका दोस्त, आपका मित्र, आपका गुरु महेंद्र जोशी। थैंक यू वेरी मच।